Okay, I did not expect this. This tiny camper is so compact, but the moment you step inside, it suddenly feels like a full-size motorhome. And honestly, it made me question why big RVs even exist. This little thing is smarter, cleaner, and more practical than some campers twice its size. Let me show you why the Knaus Tourer Van 500 LT is blowing up online right now. This small camper van really has everything, and the more time you spend around it, the more you notice how cleverly it's been engineered. Built on the Volkswagen T6.1 platform, this roughly $100,000 Tourer 500 LT comes with a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 148 horsepower, giving it plenty of power on the highway. It's paired with a smooth automatic transmission, and even though the van measures just under 19.3 feet, it feels extremely stable and easy to drive with a regular car license. The gross weight rating is about 7,055 pounds, which means you can load up a decent amount of gear without worrying. From the outside, the 500 LT looks modern and premium. This version I'm showing you comes in ascot gray, and the special Vansation decals give it a fresh, clean look. One detail I really like, instead of the typical transporter badge, Knaus added a classic bully emblem on the grille, a little nod to VW's vintage camper heritage. It rides on 17-inch alloy wheels and has large extended mirrors that make visibility perfect, even with the camper body. Moving down the driver's side, everything important is tucked neatly into what Knaus calls the service box. Here you fill the fresh water tank, which holds about 17.2 gallons, and empty the 15.3-gallon wastewater tank, and yes, that gray tank is insulated and heated for cold weather camping. The 230-volt hookup is also inside this compartment. The toilet cassette and the gas locker are very close by in separate hatches, making servicing quick and simple. The great thing is the camper only needs one 24-pound propane bottle for cooking because the heating and hot water both run on diesel. You'll also see the exhaust for the Truma heater on the side. All the windows here are flush-fitting, double-glazed acrylic units with integrated blinds and insect screens. And surprisingly, there's a really decent-sized garage storage space on the side. Open the hatch and you'll find tie-down points, little shelves for smaller gear, and even a rail to hang clothes or wet jackets. It's big enough for camping chairs or even a compact bicycle. You can access the garage from inside the van too, which is a great detail. At the rear, the 500 LT has a fully molded panel with sleek LED taillights and Knaus branding. What's unusual is the opening rear window, something you don't see often on vans this size. There's also a reversing camera mounted high up for better visibility. And on top, many models include extras like a satellite dish and a 100-watt solar panel. Along the passenger side, you'll find a full-length awning around 10 feet long with an LED light strip to brighten your outdoor area at night. The main entry door is on this side as well, fitted with an electric step that slides out automatically. The habitation door itself is high quality with a window and central locking. Inside the door, you get smart little touches, an umbrella holder, a removable storage bag, and hooks for leashes or jackets. A full fly screen helps keep mosquitoes out while you let fresh air in. Overall, the exterior is clean, practical, and surprisingly premium for such a compact camper. But what really shocks people is how this van actually sleeps up to 4 people. Let's head inside. Stepping into the Tourer 500 LT, you immediately notice how open it feels for such a small footprint. The entry door is toward the rear, so you come in near the kitchen and bathroom, while the lounge sits up front. The interior has a warm, modern vibe, wood grain cabinets, durable flooring, and well-placed lighting. Thanks to the double-floor construction, the interior stays warm, and the plumbing is hidden and protected inside the heated floor space. Headroom is generous too, at about 6.5 feet. Just inside the entry, you have the main control panel above the doorway. It shows battery levels, water levels, and gives you access to the van systems. There's also the thermostat for the diesel heater. The switches for the interior lights and the electric step are right there as well. A couple of coat hooks and a mesh pocket near the door give you a place to drop jackets and shoes. On the passenger wall, The kitchen stretches down the side. For such a small van, it's surprisingly well equipped. A 2-burner gas hob, a stainless sink, both with glass lids that turn into extra counter space when closed. The countertop is deep, and underneath you get soft closing drawers for cutlery, pots, and larger items. 2 overhead cabinets offer additional storage, and the window behind the kitchen provides fresh air and ventilation while cooking. Next to the kitchen is the tall compressor fridge, about 23.8 gallons, with a double-hinged door. This means you can open it from inside the van or from outside under the awning, which is such a smart convenience. It includes a small freezer and runs efficiently off the 12-volt system. Beside the fridge is a slim storage cupboard and a full wardrobe for hanging clothes. Across from that is the bathroom. Despite the compact space, this is a genuine wet bath thanks to an innovative swivel wall. You get a cassette toilet, a small sink, a mirror, shelves for toiletries, and when it's time to shower, you swing the curved wall to create a proper shower cabin. The faucet becomes your shower head, and once you're done, the toilet area stays dry because of that rotating partition. A roof vent and heating outlet help with ventilation and drying. Moving forward, you enter the lounge. This is a face-to-face seating layout with 2 bench seats and a pedestal table between them. The table can fold, slide, and expand depending on how you want to use the space. 4 people can easily sit here. Large side windows keep the lounge bright, and at night you can dim the LED lighting to set the mood. This lounge then converts into a big bed roughly 6.4 feet by 4.6 feet, almost queen size. The table drops down, cushions slide into place, and you get a surprisingly comfortable sleeping space. There's also an optional drop-down overhead bed to sleep more people if needed. Above the lounge is a panoramic skylight that brings in tons of natural light, opens for airflow, and has blinds for privacy. USB ports and power outlets are placed conveniently around the seating area. Up front is the VW Transporter cab. Both seats swivel to join the lounge, which really expands the space. The dashboard has modern VW features: touchscreen infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, safety assists, and more. Privacy blinds for the windshield and side windows are included. On the road, the camper drives smoothly and handles like a family car, which is one of the reasons people love the 500LT. It's easy in towns, easy in tight roads, and even works as a daily driver if you want. So, does the Knaus Tourer Van 500LT live up to the hype of being one of the smartest compact campers for couples and small families? From what I've seen, absolutely. It's small, clever, and incredibly livable. Tell me what you think in the comments. And if you want to see more innovative compact motorhomes, I've got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.